Hi everyone, Ms. Jennifer from the Anderson County Library to tell you what's inside your Week 3 activity kit. This week's activities center on the theme of magic in children's literature because magic and make-believe go hand in hand to stimulate your imagination and fight off that summer boredom. Included in this week's kit is supplies to make your own magic wand, which we'll do together here in a bit with supplies in your kit. All you'll need to have on hand is a bit of glue and either some paper clips or some alligator clothespins. Either way, let's get ready to make your magic wand. Take your dowel out of your activity kit and put a dab of glue right there in the center, just like that. Then you'll take your magic purple ribbon, and I'm touching all around the glue so I don't get my hands dirty or sticky. And I'm going to wrap around the glue like that, and then I'm going to secure it with a paper clip. Then take a little bit more glue and put it right across the top of that dowel, almost to the end, and leave a little bit at the end. That way there will be a little bit of ribbon hanging off, and it makes a fun flick sound when you flick your magic wand. So you just wrap it around in a candy cane kind of a shape and pinch it like that. Put a paper clip on the other end, and now comes the hard part, waiting for it to dry. Luckily, it's July and we're in South Carolina. All you have to do is put it outside in the hot sun and it'll be dry in no time. There are a couple of lists of books we've suggested for you this week that go with this week's theme, and all the books on this list are available for you to put on hold from the library at andersonlibrary.org. Now you can read any books you want to read to participate in summer reading. They don't have to be from the library and they don't have to be on an AR list. But don't forget to turn in your reading logs to us by Saturday, August 8th to receive your prizes for summer reading. One of the books we've suggested this week is called Magic Tricks with Coins, Cards, and Everyday Objects by Jake Banfield. Again, this book is available for you from the library, and it teaches you some really cool sleight of hand tricks to amaze your friends and family. Now, for a really great tutorial from a professional magician, go to the library's Facebook page and search for Virtual Magic Academy by Tim Sonnefeld. It was posted on July 8th, and it includes some really cool tricks that will prepare you to amaze your friends and family. There is a place in your kit where you can draw your own magic dragon, as well as a template for you to color and cut out your own dragon finger puppet. This is what mine looks like. In addition, you're going to find some jokes that you can tell your friends and family, as well as ancient Egyptian anagrams. Anagrams are simply words that are scrambled up. You have to unscramble the letters and write them in the line beside there. Now parents, if your child likes anagrams, you may have a visual learner. A visual learner is just someone who has to see information to learn it rather than hearing it or touching it. And if you do have a visual learner, there are plenty of books and websites out there for you to help you understand your child's learning style and develop it. All right, finally, we want to make sure that every family knows about TumbleBooks. We've been promoting it all summer because TumbleBooks is the app that actually reads books to your child. All you need to do is download TumbleBooks from your favorite app store, plug in the information it asks for, including your library card number, and you will have access to countless books for children, including fiction, nonfiction, and graphic novels. Whether you have a struggling reader or a kid who loves books, this app will definitely further their love of reading. Happy reading, everyone!